Welcome to our vlog. Today we are doing one project. See here. Actually, we want to connect all these wires to the particular terminal. So negative, 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 negative. So three bulbs we want to join negative, negative. Okay, guys. Then we want to connect one resistor through one positive terminal to one another positive terminal of the breadboard. Then you have to join one wire from starting from here to here, this connection, plus to plus positive terminal. Then another positive terminal to last positive terminal. Then this for the result, this two wires for result, this for positive, this for positive, and this for negative. The bulb is glowing, guys. Fine, finished. Bye bye, guys. Tomorrow like this we'll do one project. Please subscribe to our channel so we will have some more subscribers. Bye bye, guys.